I'd like to show you how easy it is to draw a part and then nest a part using Fastcam and FastNest. We're going to start our program. I'm going to draw a link using the shortcut buttons inside of Fastcam. So we'll start off by drawing a circle with a 4-inch radius. Now when I right click, it gets me out of the function that I was in. So there's my circle. I want to draw another circle 8 inches from here. I want that to have a 2-inch radius on it. I'm going to use incremental coordinates. So I want to come from the center of my circle that I've already have here. I'm going to go over 8 inches positive in X. So now I've got my other circle on there. Now I can use the line function and do a tangent to 2 circles. And click on each circle that I want. It'll draw a line for me between those 2 circles. I want to come back and I want to put a couple more circles inside of my link that are going to be holes. So I want a 2-inch radius. Now this time, instead of doing the incremental, I want to do a control point. And I can hit this little red plus sign and it's going to highlight all my control points that I can click to. So now once I have that in there, I want to put another circle with a 1-inch radius. Same thing, control point on this end. And then I can go back using the Fastcam Smart Trim feature. I can trim off the rest of these radiuses or arcs that I don't need anymore. So now once I have my part in here, I'm going to add my text mark. I'm going to put this on my screen position so I can click right where I want it. Type in the text that I want. I'm going to do a direct entry at 15 degrees, and that's my text height. Now my part's ready. I'm going to save this. It's going to save it as a CAM file. I can minimize this. Now we can go ahead and start FastNest. Once our program's loaded, we're able to hit this plus sign to add a part. We'll select our link. I want to add 24 pieces to my plate. Now they're all nested. I can hit output NC code. It's automatically going to name my nest, which I can change if I'd like. Just going to accept that name. I can resequence this by columns. Now I can plot out a printout of the nest if I want. I can move the entry positions if I'd like, but I'm happy the way they are. Confirming my file name. I'm going to save it in my NC file folder. Now it'll ask me if I want to verify my nest. I'm going to select yes on that, which is going to open FastPlot. It's going to show me a graphical picture of what my nest looks like. And then if I left click, it's going to show me all of my G code. Then I can go through and use FastPlot to turn a trace on, and by hitting the down arrow on my keyboard, I can go through and see exactly how it's going to cut the entire nest. So it's going to do the text on each part and then burn out the holes and then the outer contour. And that's how easy it is to draw and nest parts using Fastcam and FastNest. Thank you for watching.